Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Harin Ram Seri from Kedodimal College, University of Delhi. Today I am going to talk on module Morphology, Life Cycles, Mode of Infection of Leishmania under paper Biology of Parasitism. Learning outcomes. After studying this module, you shall be able to understand general aspects of Leishmania, geographical distribution, ranges of parasite and disease, different form of disease caused by the parasite. Recognize the diogenic nature of parasite and its spectrum of infection. Species affecting human population, identifying the morphology of different parasitic forms, life cycle of Leishmania. Introduction. The parasite belonging to class Zoomastingophora of subphylum Mastingophora, phylum Sarcomestingophora, have the power of motility as this group of protozoa contain flagella. Based on their habitat, these parasites are classified into two major groups: blood and tissue flagellates, which infect various tissues of the host body beside vascular system. Two genera of this group are pathogenic. Two main are Leishmania and Trypanosoma. Intestinal, oral, and genital flagellates are mostly non-pathogenic and infects the genital tract, oral, and intestinal canal. The hierarchy is as underneath: phylum Protozoa, subphylum Plasmodema, class Mastigophora, order Protomonodinia, genus Leishmania. This figure represents the hierarchy of parasite: phylum Sarcomastigophora, subphylum Mastigophora, class Zoomastigophora. Intestinal, oral, and genital flagellates, blood and tissue flagellates. Flagellates of genus Leishmania are morphologically identical to flagellates belonging to genus Leptomonas. The infection caused by parasite involves three clinical syndromes: visceral leishmaniasis, mucocutaneous, and cutaneous leishmaniasis. The life cycle is dependent on vertebrate hosts such as humans and insects host, sandfly as a vector of different species. A broad range of vertebrates are infected by the parasitic genus Leishmania, including humans, rodents, and dogs. Promastingote in vector and amastingote is vertebrate host are the characteristic morphological forms of the parasite. The infection has an extensive history since mid-18th century. The leishmaniasis has been present in India and Africa. Presently, approximately leishmaniasis affected 12 million cases exist in world, and 1.5 to 2 million new cases is estimated to occur each year. Geographical distribution. The living habitats of sandfly are the temperate, tropical, and subtropical regions, and thus leishmaniasis is geographically restricted in distribution at these regions. The ecological condition ranges from deserts to rainforest. Environmental changes and climatic conditions can potentially expand the geographical and ecological range of vector sandfly. Total incidence of leishmaniasis are not yet reported, but among half of the reported cases, it is clear that nearly 98 countries are prevailed by the disease and contributing 1.3 million of new cases per year. Out of these reported cases, 1 million cases are affected by the cutaneous form of leishmaniasis, mostly occurring in regions like Syria, Algeria, Iran, Afghanistan, Brazil, Saudi Arabia, Colombia, Tunisia, and Pakistan, or mucocutaneous form in regions like Bolivia, Peru, and Brazil. 3 lakh cases belongs to the visceral form of leishmaniasis, mostly 90% occurring in Bangladesh, India, Brazil, Nepal, Sudan, Ethiopia, and South Sudan. Based on the development site of intracellular protozoa parasite in the sandfly, the genus Leishmania is categorized into 3 subgenera: Leishmania, Vinia, Leishmania, Leishmania, and Leishmania pseudoleishmania. The genus includes more than 20 species, except Antarctica and Australia. Even continent is affected by leishmaniasis. This figure represents epidemiology of leishmania, status of epidemicity of cutaneous leishmaniasis worldwide 2013. This figure represents epidemiology of leishmania, status of epidemicity of visceral leishmaniasis worldwide 2013. WHO 2014 reported the 6 countries have more than 90% of new cases. The countries are India, Brazil, Sudan, South Sudan, Somalia, and Ethiopia. The Kala Azar Black Fever Elimination Program is belonging effective in the Southeast Asia region of WHO. Moreover, countries like Bangladesh have reduced the number of new cases from 9,000 2006 to an average of 600 in 2014 to 2015. Distribution in India. Leishmania donovani causes visceral leishmaniasis, which is widely prevalent in India until 1947. At present, the endemic area covers the West Bengal, largest part of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, and Jharkhand, and VBDCP, Delhi. Additionally, the northwestern sectors of foothills of the Himalayan mountain range are prevailed by the sporadic visceral leishmaniasis cases in India. Currently, it was reported to have few cases in Kerala and Gujarat. This figure represents map of visceral leishmaniasis in India. This figure represents map of cutaneous leishmaniasis in India. This table represents the cases and death due to the Kala Azar in India 2010 as per National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Leishmaniasis and forms. Leishmaniasis, according to the development of Leishmania within the vector Philobotomus sandfly, it has been grouped into different species and subspecies. Promestigote form of parasite develops in the digestive system of sandfly vector, and the same of the grouping is given in accordance to its relativeness to the position of pylorus. The grouping is categorized it into suprafilaria. Mostly the human infecting species of Leishmania are principally found in suprafilaria group. In this group, the parasite form development take place in the pharynx and stomach. Prefilaria, secondary to suprafilaria, few species of Leishmania infecting humans belonging to prefilaria group. The development of promestigote form occur in both pharynx and in the stomach and anterior ileum of sandfly. Hypofilaria, development of parasitic form occur in ileum and rectal areas. There are 3 main forms of disease principally caused by 5 main species of Leishmania infecting human beings. Number first, visceral leishmaniasis. Kala Ajar is caused by Leishmania donovani, Leishmania chagesi, two Indian words composed the term Kala Ajar, which are Kala and Ajar, meaning black sickness. In this disease, the color of skin turns black pigmentation. The word Kala signifies a fatal illness. The parasites occur intracellular in the internal organs in disease Kala Ajar and thus called as visceral leishmaniasis. The infection is generalized and sometimes the parasitic infection without any visceral manifestations can cause different skin lesions. Visceral leishmaniasis is further categorized into different forms on biological basis. Human reservoir parasite with human reservoir causes Indian Kala Ajar. Canine reservoir parasite with canine reservoir causes Russian Kala Ajar. In fertile or Mediterranean Kala Ajar, Chinese and South American Kala Ajar, rodent reservoir parasite with rodent reservoir causes African Kala Ajar. 2. Dermal cutaneous leishmaniasis. Leishmania major and Leishmania tropica causes dermal cutaneous leishmaniasis, also termed as oriental sore. The parasite is distributed in the subcutaneous tissues and infection causes local lesion of skin. It is further categorized into following on biological basis. Leishmania tropica species causes oriental sore. Leishmania donovani causes a non-ulcerative skin lesion produced in post-Kala Ajar dermal leishmaniasis or dermal leishmaniasis, late stage of visceral leishmaniasis. Third, mucocutaneous leishmaniasis. Spondia is caused by Leishmania mexicana and Leishmania braziliensis. Parasite may invade areas of skin and oronasal mucosa but mainly limited to cause local skin lesions. Genus Leishmania donovani. Leishmania donovani in 1903 Ross created the genus Leishmania to include Leishmania donovani. Indian Kala Ajar, the flagellates belonging to the Leishmania genus, causes zoonotic disease called leishmaniasis, infecting wild rodents, dogs, and other mammals, and the infection mainly maintains in the endemic regions. Worldwide, nearly 88 countries are affected by disease leishmaniasis in man caused by several 21 species Leishmania species. These species are morphologically indistinguishable and differentiated by DNA sequence analysis, isoenzyme analysis, or monoclonal antibodies study. Leishmania is a protozoan digenetic endoparasite that causes Kala Ajar in human. The Indian Kala Ajar is caused by the parasite Leishmania donovani. In the year 1903, Leishmania from London and Donovani from Madras, while working on the spleen of Kala Ajar suffered patients, independently discovered the parasitic form called Leishmania donovani. Characteristic features, habit and habitat. The Leishmania is always intracellular, occurring in a mastigote form inside the human vertebrate host. The parasite essentially invades the RES reticuloendothelial system. Leishmania transforms into promastigote form within the vector sandfly. Leishmania donovani is a digenetic protozoan parasite. The life cycle completes in two hosts the primary host is human and the secondary host vector is sandfly. The vector of leishmaniasis, that is sandflies, are most active from dusk to dawn to light to night time. The phlebotomine sandfly is a tiny insect vector of about 2 to 3 millimeter long. The infection is transmitted by the bite of infected female vector to the humans. More than 30 species of phlebotomine family can infected humans. Mostly the infected people remain asymptomatic throughout their life and the term leishmaniasis doesn't indicate the infected beings, rather the people who become sick due to infection and exhibit symptoms. This figure represents sandfly vector morphological forms. The protozoan parasite occur in two morphologically discrete forms, leishmanial or amastigode form and lepitomonad and promastigode form. Amastigode stage, leishmanial form. The amastigode stage of parasite reside intracellular in the RES reticuloendothelial system of the infected human. These oval intracellular and non-flagellated forms of leishmaniasis are 2 to 5 micrometer in length and 1 to 2.5 micrometer in breadth. The oval-shaped forms contain a centrally located nucleus of less than 1 micrometer in diameter. This figure represents the two distinct morphological forms of parasite, promastigode form and amastigode form. Perpendicular to the nucleus, a minute structure is present called as kinetoblast. This minute structure of the parasite contains a mitochondrial structure as well as DNA containing body. Rhizoplast or exonyme is a delicate filament which extends to the edge of the parasitic body from the kinetoblast. The root of the flagellum characterizes the exonyme, which is surrounded by a clear vacuole. The mastingode form of parasite multiplies and divides inside the cells of the RES human reticuloendothelial system by binary fission. The intracellular expansion of parasites when reaches the number 50 to 200, the parasites ruptures the host cell and enter the circulatory system of host. From the blood circulation, these escaped parasites can again infect new host cells of the RES. Successive infection of new cells and increase in the total number of parasites inside the host body rapidly increases the destruction of RES cells. During the life cycle of a mastingode form, few parasite remains in the circulatory system of the infected person. Promastigode stage, lepitomonad forms. The promastigode form of parasite is also termed as flagellar form or lepidomonad forms. When the sandfly bite the infected patient and the amastigode form of parasite enters the gut of the sandfly, the parasitic form gets transformed to promastigode form. The mature form of promastigode is long, splinter-shaped cylinder form ranging in length from 15 to 20 micrometer and 1 to 2 micrometer in breadth. At the anterior end of the parasitic body lies a basal body or kinetoblast, while at the center lies a single nucleus. The root of flagellum runs over the eosinophilic vacuole that surrounded the kinetoblast, a single flagellum protrudes outside the parasitic body which originates from the kinetoblast basal body. The flagellum can be longer than the length of the parasitic body or of the same length. The promastigode form of parasite increases in their number when it multiplies by binary fission. As the parasitic population increases in the gut of the sandfly, the infection extends to the pharynx and later ascends to the proboscis. On ninth day of the parasitic infection to the sandfly, the flagellates completely block the entrance, buccal cavity, pharynx, and proboscis of the sandfly. It has been reported that successive to infection, the sandfly containing parasites multiply rapidly when takes plant juice or fruits. The infection reaches to a new host when these parasite-filled sandflies bite a healthy human being. The sandflies has the promastigode form of parasite which when enters the body of the new host invades the cells of RES and changes to amastigode form. The amastigode form of parasite increases in number by multiplication and repeat the life cycle. Mode of transmission. Leishmaniasis is classified as NTD or neglected tropical disease caused by the Leishmania parasite infection that spreads by the bite of sandfly. Leishmaniasis is transmitted by the phlebotomine sandfly, thus it is called as vector-borne disease, and the obligate intracellular protozoan parasite that causes it belongs to the genus Leishmania. There are near about 21 to 30 species of parasite that can infect the humans and other mammals. These includes the more than common, especially in India. Leishmania donovani complex, Leishmania infantum in the New World, also known as Leishmania chagassi and Leishmania donovani. The subgenus Vania with four main species Leishmania peruvena, Leishmania braziliensis, Leishmania panamaniensis, and Leishmania guianensis. The Leishmania mexicana complex with three main species Leishmania amazoniensis, Leishmania mexicana, and Leishmania venezuelensis. Leishmania ethiopica, Leishmania major, and Leishmania tropica. Sandfly vector belonging to the genus Leucomia and Philobotomus is a means of natural transmission of Leishmania donovani from one person to other man. The species of sandfly concerned are given as Mediterranean vector Phlebotomus major, Phlebotomus perniciosus, and Phlebotomus perniciosus. Indian vector transmission caused by Phlebotomus sargentipus. Sudanese vector natural transmission by Phlebotomus orientalis. Phlebotomus chinesis is a Chinese vector along with Phlebotomus sargenti. Phlebotomus martini is an East African vector. Leukemia longipapilis is a Brazilian vector. Phlebotomus arpancreasis is a Russian vector. Human beings and other mammals are the vertebrate hosts of parasite, whereas sandflies are the invertebrate host as well as vectors for the parasites. These phlebotomous vectors are the transmitting agents of the disease commonly caused by Leishmania donovani. The sandfly of phlebotomous Argentipus genus is the common vector for causing disease in India. When the infected phlebotomous fly inject its proboscis into the person to take blood meal, a wound is formed into which the parasitic flagellates are liberated into the blood circulation of person. This is the general mechanism of transmission adopted by Leishmania donovani from a Kala-Jar infected patient to a new healthy host. Additionally, other modes of transmission can be possible during coitus. When the child is in the uterus, the infant can get congenital infection from the mother. Transmission can be possible through blood transfusion from infected to healthy host. In many geographical regions, along with sandflies, many other infected animals such as dogs, rodents, etc. can maintain the transmission cycle of the parasites, and the parasite is not completely dependent on the infected people to maintain the life cycle is nature and cause leishmaniasis in such areas. However, in some geographical regions, infected people are essential to maintain the transmission of parasitic cycle, and such type of transmission is termed as orthoponotic, human to sandfly to human. In such areas of world with orthoponotic transmission, the spread of parasite can be controlled by an effective treatment of infected patients. Life cycle. The parasitic blocked female phlebotomine sandflies can transmit the leishmaniasis disease. Stage first. The infected sandflies bite the new host for blood meal and inject the effective promastingode form of parasite from their proboscis into the host body. Stage 2. The proboscis of the sandfly form a puncture wound at the site of bite from where the promastingode form reaches the host body and phagocytosed by the mononuclear phagocytic cells and macrophages. Stage 3. After phagocytosis, the promastingode form of parasite in the phagocytic cells gets transformed into a mastingode, a tissue-specific stage of parasite. Stage 4. The mastingode forms divide and multiply and proceed to infect other phagocytic cells. Stage 5 and 6. As the infection spread, the host parasite and mainly other factor affect and decided that whether the infection become symptomatic or result into visceral or cutaneous leishmaniasis. At this infectious stage of patient, when the phlebotomine sandfly bite the infected patient for blood meal, it becomes infected by ingesting the infected macrophages and other phagocytic cells. Stage 7. On ingestion of the amastingode form containing infectious phagocytic cells, the amastingode form in the gut of the sandfly, Leishmanial organisms in the Leishmania subgenus, in the midgut, Venia subgenus in the hindgut, transforms into the promastingode form of parasite. Stage 8. The transformed promastingode form from the gut of the sandfly migrates to the proboscis. This figure represents life cycle of sandfly. Other genus of Leishmania, Leishmania tropica, Oriental sore or cutaneous leishmaniasis is caused by the parasite Leishmania tropica. Liu 1906 coined the term Leishmania tropica, and it was Brovsky 1898 and Wright 1903 who observed and gave an accurate morphological description of the parasite. The parasite mainly occur in plasmatocytes of skin cells of RES. Morphologically, the two species Leishmania donovani and Leishmania tropica are indistinguishable. Leishmania tropica exists in many countries such as Western and Central India, Arabia, Mesopotamia, Mediterranean, Persia, Syria, Central Asia, and Central Africa. The life cycle and mode of reproduction is similar to that of Leishmania donovani, with an exception that the amastigote form does not occur in visceral but in the large mononuclear cells of skin. Binary fission is the mode of reproduction. The main reservoir of infection is rodent-like Rhombomius optimus gerbilis in the Central Asia, whereas dogs are the reservoir in endemic areas. The usual mode of transmission is the sandfly vector, which bites the host. Direct contact does not produce infection, but not so common in nature. Phlebotomus peppertaceae is a sandfly species responsible for illness transmission in eastern Mediterranean and North Africa. Phlebotomus sargenti in India, Iraq and Persia. Phlebotomus peppertaceae and Phlebotomus caucasus in Central Asia. Leishmania brasiliensis. Vina 1991 declared Leishmania brasiliensis as a new species first observed by Carney 1911. Mucocutaneous leishmaniasis and Eosinophilia are caused by this parasite. The amastigote form of parasite occur in intracellular inside the macrophages cells of buccal cavity, mucous membrane of nose and skin. The parasite is morphologically indistinguishable from Leishmania tropica and Leishmania donovani. The method of reproduction and life cycle appear to be identical with other type of Leishmania. The parasite is confined to South America and Central America. Small forest rodents are the reservoir host of parasite. Arthropophilic sandfly bites and infects the human. Sandfly of genus Leukemia is the insect host of these parasites. The infected humans can transmit the infection by direct contact as the disease is auto-inoculable. On the biological basis, the species Leishmania brasiliensis is subdivided into subspecies. Leishmania brasiliensis caused Spondia oronasal mucosa. Leishmania brasiliensis peruia. Domestic dogs are the host reservoir and parasite caused dry papilla in skin. Leishmania brasiliensis guianensis affect the oronasal mucosa. Leishmania brasiliensis mexicana causes bay sore and more prevalent in Honduras, Guatemala, and Mexico. So, student, let us summarize what we have learned in this module. The kinetoplastid parasites belonging to genus Leishmania causes a tropical zoonotic disease called as leishmaniasis. Leishmania is a flagellate protozoan and intracellular parasite that affects mammals including humans and causes a spectrum of disease included in leishmaniasis. The protozoan parasite is transferred through the infected sandflies belonging to Psychocaudidae family to the humans and cause disease with the different clinical manifestations including visceral leishmaniasis, liver inflammation or lethal spleen, mucocutaneous and cutaneous leishmaniasis, skin ulcers. The female sandfly transmit the infection leishmaniasis by biting the host such as human beings or animals like rodents or dogs. The infected but asymptomatic people are the great importance for the infection transmission as the parasites can survive for decades within them and thus spread leishmaniasis indirectly through vectors sandflies. The direct transmission is possible by sharing infected needles such as in case of HIV leishmania co-infection. The infection caused by the parasite involves three clinical syndromes: visceral leishmaniasis, mucocutaneous, and cutaneous leishmaniasis. The protozoan parasite occur in two morphologically discrete forms: A. leishmanial O or A. mastingoid form and lepitomonad and promastingoid form. Human in the vertebrate host of parasite, whereas the vertebrate host of parasite is the Phyllobotomus argyropus. The female Phyllobotomus sandfly bite the parier parasite infected person, Kalajar patients or reservoir hosts, and the amastingoid form of parasite from the circulatory system of the human host gets delivered to the sandfly from where it enters the gut of the female sandfly. In the gut of the sandfly, the mastingoid form of parasite gets transformed to the second distinct morphological form of parasite called promastingoid form. Thank you.